Welcome back. On the left side menu, you're going to see the notes area. And what you can do with the notes is that when you come to this area, you can click on New Note. This will allow you to create a note that you will be sharing on your webinar or your meeting. You want to make sure that you have given your note a name. Once you have your note named, you can then click this left arrow to go back to the All Notes area. The note will then appear in your notes area. You will want to make sure that notes are enabled in your account. You'll then want to go to the account management area on the left side menu. You'll then want to go to your account settings. You're going to see an element here for notes. You're going to click on that element. You will then be able to make sure that your notes are enabled, and you want to then customize the settings based on how you're going to use notes inside of your meeting. Once you have done that, you can then start your meeting in order to use the notes feature. Once you have started your meeting or your webinar, you're going to see the notes tab. You can click on the notes tab, and what you'll see is that you have the notes available to you here in this area. You can click on your note, and you can then make it available here on this area, and you can actually add to the note. You will also see that others will be able to get access to the note here inside of this meeting. We can also create a new note, and we can create this new note and write in notes from the meeting, and then they will be available inside of our Zoom account. Once we've written in our note, we can then close the note, and our note will then be available inside of our account. And then when you end your meeting and you go back to your notes area, you will then see the note that you have available. You can go inside of that note, and you can then share that note with others. Once you click on the share button, you'll then see this area. You can then copy the link to the note, and you can make it available to others. And when you give the note to others, they will need to sign into a Zoom account in order to see the note. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.